Now I will carry out the briefing of what you are supposed to do. A short while back you are shown a picture on the screen based on which you have written a story. Now what you will do is you will from chest number 139 onwards you will narrate the story one by one. When 139 finishes, 151 will automatically start and so on till we reach 170. Thereafter, as soon as 170 finishes, the discussion will start automatically and all of you will discuss and you will try to reach a common consensus. You will make a common story amongst yourself. And after you have made a common story, you will nominate one person who will give us the common story on behalf of the group. Now, there are certain points to be kept in mind. 139 will start and thereafter it will continue on its own. All of you will remain seated during the entire exercise, no standing up and all. The narration time is approximately around 1 minute. Try to keep your story concise and precise. If you find that you are crossing the time or we have understood your story, we'll tell the next person to start. You can always add your points during the discussion. Remember, it is not whose story is being accepted, but the aim is to form a common consensus, arrive at a common consensus. Anybody having any questions?
No, sir. Hello friends, from the shown picture, I perceive 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female. My central character of the story is Anu, 28-year-old, a young and dynamic police officer of the UP Police posted in Lucknow. She noticed that the rising number of the pending cases in women against the online complaint of the women. So she made a team and with the team she made a list of the complaints and sent it the list to the IT cell. With their help she find out the locations and then she made a prone area of the crimes, and with the team she reached there. Over there she catch the culprits and she also sent her team to other locations.
Hello friends, from the picture shown to us, I perceived 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female. The hero of my story is Renu, who is 24-year-old. Renu is the best student of the college. She studies biotechnology at the JP Institute of Technology. Ram and Raju were facing difficulties with the subject, so they approached her for help. Renu helped them with providing them with previous year paper, mock tests, and tutoring them after their classes and preparing for her exam alongside. Ram and Raju after exam passed with flying colors and thanked Renu for the help, and Renu also did well in her exam.
Hello friends, in my story I have 3 characters, 2 male and 1 female. The hero of my story is Dia. She is 22 years old and she works as a librarian. She felt the need of updating new books, so she consulted people who were visiting regularly so that she can add new books.
Hello friends, from the picture shown I have perceived 3 characters, 2 female and 1 male. The central hero of my story is Anju, 18-year-old, who is preparing for upcoming NE examination, and today her result of 12th class came, and her mother came in the room to congratulate her. She inspired all her siblings and friends and motivate them to work harder.
Hello friends, from the given picture I have perceived 3 characters, 2 males and 1 female, all are in positive mood. The central character of my story is Radha. She is in military administrative, and in the army background, she is the administrator, and hence she has been provided with the information related to the weapons and the equipments that are needed for the army, and for that she had been provided the report that these are the shortages of the equipments. Hence she had make a list which equipments are having the shortage, and hence been passed to the upper section.
Hello friends, the picture shown to us and I had perceived 3 characters, 2 females and 1 male, and the main character of my story is a female whose name was Radha, and she was 22 years old. She was deeply connected with the books and she always studied books related to travels and other things, and she decided to keep her study going with while working for her family as a librarian. She has completed her graduation and now she was preparing for UPSC while working as a librarian. And one day her neighbor came to the library and took her help for finding books, and she helped them, and she also helped other people, and at last while working as a librarian she cleared the UPSC and she made her family proud.
Hello friends, I have perceived 3 characters in my image. 2 of them are male and 1 of them is a person. The action of my story is issuing books from library. Ram, which is 22 years old, is a final year student of Grp Capt A University. His final year's exams are approaching, so he analyzed that he was lacking in compiler design subject. So he goes to the library, asks to the librarian assistant that if any latest publication is available or not. Then after finding from the register, the assistant agrees and gave him the book. After that, he studies from the book and he dedicatedly prepares for that exam, and in the exam he performs very well. Thank you.
From the picture shown, I perceived 2 characters, 1 male and 1 female. Suryanshi, 23, in a happy mood, is the main character of my story, and the action of my story is spreading awareness to parents for sending their children to school. Suryanshi, a psychology student on a visit to her village, noticed that a lot of students were skipping schools because to help their parents at work. On the other hand, she realized to work on it. Then she sought permission from the village panchayat and with the help of a local NGO in order to gain traction, conducted a Nukkad Natak. On the other hand, she also contacted the village school authorities and conducted awareness sessions in the local school with the parents. She also borrowed a projector from the NGO and conducted a screening in the local village regarding education. Within weeks, she noticed improvement in the admission of village students, and she was happy to help them.
They are working on a crime reported recently, and they are searching for the past crimes reported and the sinisters behind that, so that they can match the crimes reported recently and match the sinister and catch the prey. And one of the subordinate have helped and see through the file and found some matching in the crime and found the crime.
Hello friends, in my story I perceived 3 male characters. All are in positive mood, and my hero of my story is Mr. Mahipal, a librarian in school trying to solve the issue of missing books. So basically in their school, there was a rule that only 2 books are issued at a time, so the students need more books for preparation. So they issued on their behalf of their teacher, so they asked for their teacher to issue their books on their names. So the missing books were not about to get finding, so the librarian inquired and checked and asked the teacher.
Hello friends, in the picture shown to us, I perceive three characters, one female and two male characters. All are in neutral mood, in age group of around 30 years. Action of my story is coordinating the library as a librarian and organizing a book fair. So Sasha was a librarian in Delhi University. One day she decided to organize a book fair in the university campus. So she discussed the thing with the authorities and the students. So to start the work, she gathered some students to volunteer, in which she arranged some registers to enter the registries, to get the feedbacks. Also, she distributed pamphlets among the campus to spread awareness about the book reading. In this way, she organized the book fair in a very good manner and also got appreciated for the work.
Hello friends, I have pursued three characters in my story, two male and one female. Rajat, 19 years old, is the main character of my story. In a positive mood, he, being the class leader of his school, he got an opportunity to organize an event on the occasion of Republic Day in his school. He took permission from his class teacher and went to classroom to register the name of the students who want to participate in the upcoming occasion. Then he went to his PT teacher and got to know about some selected sports student to participate in the parade session. And later, with the help of his subordinate student, he made a list and rearranged other activities such as time managing and some regarding the coding and.
Hello friends, from the picture shown I've perceived that two female and a male character. The hero of my story is Sonia, a 23-year-old girl who is pursuing graduation and a final year student. She issued many books from the college library and she was very familiar with the library in charge. On the day when library in charge was on leave, she handed over her work to Sonia. She issued books on behalf of her with the help of the library helper that day, and issued books and handed over and updated the record and maintained all the books and books of library. And after doing all the works, she updated the books she have issued to the students. And then the next day she
Speak louder.
the next day she told all the things and all the records she told to the library in charge. Thank you.
Hello friends, I perceive three characters in this story. One female, her age is 25, and two male, and his age also is 25. My hero of the story.
Voice is not audible.
Hero of the story.
Not audible.
My hero of the story is
Not audible.
Gayatri is the hero of my story, and he runs a NGO in a rural area. He visits rural area. There is no institution or college for children to pursue higher education. So she decided to open a college or institution for children to pursue higher education.
Hello friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived three characters, in which two are males and one is females of age group around 30 to 35 years old. The action of my story is discussion on the upcoming annual sports meet. So the central character of my story is Radha, who is the principal in the DVI school. She announced a upcoming sports meet in the school. So in order to organize it, she put a meeting for the class teachers. She asked them to organize the data of the students who want to participate in the annual sports day, and she also asked if any student want to indulge any other sports, so they can give a review also. And they organized the venue, the sports like basketball, badminton, etc.
I agree with the number 160. But the background, first let's decide the theme of our picture. That the background of the picture was an administrative office, as it has been seen by many of us. The books and other things told, and she also took help from the IT cells to aware other people and to
digital methods.
Yes,
she make a group and she make a team to tackle this problem.
Yes, and with the help of them, she also told them to aware other people. After discussing with the group, our group decided to a common story that Anu, 28 year of old, having positive mood, a police officer of the Lucknow police posted in Lucknow. She noticed the rising cases against the online cases against the women and other fake.
Okay, all of you please get up, turn to your left, move and wait outside.
किसी administrative officer का table है, it will be a big table. It will not be a thin table and there is some passageway. So it is not an office, it is a library. So आप गौर से अगर देखते तो you wouldn't have earmarked it as an office or library. That was the first mistake. Second mistake is that
डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, क्या आप भी एनडीए 2025 एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक करना चाहते हैं अपने पहले प्रयास में? तो आज ही इनरोल करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के रिटन प्लस एसएसबी कोर्स में, जो आपको देने वाला है रेगुलर क्लासेस, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, फ्री स्टडी मटेरियल्स, ट्रेन्ड फैकल्टीज, एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ द एसएसबी पैनल, फ्री एसएसबी कोचिंग, इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट जीटीओ ग्राउंड के साथ में डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, वीकली मॉक टेस्ट, रिगरस प्रैक्टिस। ये एक ऐसा संस्थान है जहां हम आपको A to Z प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं और आपको नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी की कड़ी तैयारी कराते हैं। प्राउडली ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3, 4 जैसे रैंक्स देने वाली सेंचुरी डिफेंस एकेडमी आपको वेलकम करती है टू जॉइन आवर अपकमिंग कोर्सेज फॉर योर एनडी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन। Please call on 97959 77776 for more information. Thank you, Namaskar and Jai Hind.